I got this unique recipe from 100 years ago recipe book Amish o Niramish Ahar by Pragya Sundari Devi. For this unique recipe, we need a ripe papaya. Peel the papaya and cut into small pieces. Now boil it for 5 minutes until it becomes soft. Cool the boiled papaya and smash with your hands. It's time to paste some spices. Here I took salt, sugar, black pepper, some fennel seeds, sesame seeds, and 4 to 5 cardamom. Add the spice paste with smashed boiled papaya along with besan. Instead of besan, you can add 2 full spoons of maida. Now mix it well and rest for 5 minutes. Heat up the kadai and add some oil with 1 full spoon of ghee. Fry it with low flame. Serve with the most comfort food bhat, সেদ্ধ ডাল, আলু ভাতে ও ডিম সেদ্ধ. This is so good. Thank you.